Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this treadmill walking pad. This thing is amazing. As you can see right here, it's got this handlebar to go ahead and hold on to it. You can also fold that down if you like, and you can just put this underneath the desk, go ahead and walk while you're using the computer, while you're at the office, what have you. You can even use these legs right here to go ahead and elevate this thing a little bit if you like. It has suction cups on the bottom so it stays in place on your floor. This thing comes with the user manual, a quick start guide. It's also come with a tool to go ahead and adjust this handlebar, fold it down if you like, but also has this nice piece right here. You can go ahead and just twist that and it will go ahead and unlock this on both sides and you can fold it down. It also comes with some lubricant right here and it comes with this remote control. The nice thing about this is it has plus and minus. You can go ahead and adjust the speed up to 6 miles per hour. It's also got a pause and a start, and it's got the power button. Right here you have a slot to go ahead and put a phone or a tablet if you'd like to go ahead and use your phone while you're using this machine. It's got this nice piece right here. You need to go ahead and have this magnet in there, and you can go ahead and clip it on your shorts. And in case you are to fall off this thing at all, this thing will come undone and it'll stop the treadmill. So let's go ahead and push the start button right here. It's going to give you a quick little countdown. It starts off at 0.6 miles per hour. And then each time you press this, it goes up by 0.1 miles an hour. You can go ahead and hold it down to go more quickly through the speeds. We are at the max speed right now, 6 miles an hour. You can get a very nice jog going at this speed. It tells you right there what the time is. So I've been going for 25 seconds right now. It tells you a calorie count, and it also tells you your total distance. So I've gone 0.04 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down a little bit. So now we are at 2.5, very steady walking pace. I can go ahead and click this pause button, and it will go ahead and slow this thing to a stop. So as you can see, this thing is super portable. Very small form factor, is easy to carry around if you so need to. I highly recommend this treadmill. Thanks for watching.